Get out the car.
Okie dokie. Y'all see that atom bomb back there? That right there? That's that atom bomb. We done took, man, we done took everything. We done took everything apart.
Kimmy, come, where you going?
Oh, where you going, Kimmy?
Kimmy, I need you over here. Come here for a minute.
Sit up, RJ. Sit up. Let me show them we done took all this stuff up out of here. This is a $5,000. This is a $2,000 job. You know, going to get this heater car. We had, look, right over here. Right over here is your fuel pump relay switch. It's a 2-in-1 unit. It's a 2-in-1 unit. Some of them come with 2 relays on it, but this one is 1. This is a 2002 Hyndai Sonata. 2002 Hyndai Sonata. Yeah, so as you can see, boy, I'm talking about, look, just getting this dang on glove compartment down is a beast. But yeah, we had to take all this stuff off just to get back into this heated car. Everything on atom bomb back there. You know? Just trying to let y'all know we be going in. Hey, when we go in, we go in. We don't stop. Cause we make friends. Cause we trying to get paid. And we trying to count our ends. At the end of the day, you gonna know who we are. And this, I ain't just rhyming because I like to rap. I'm trying to know. That's why they call us clap. We gonna make it clap when we get through with it. Huh? That's what I'm talking about. That's what we do. A lot of tools laid out on the ground, but guess what? Let's get them right here. We stick and move. We stick and move. So I'm just trying to show y'all this the boy Blue. My dog RJ is around RJ. Huh? We just a couple young black men living a legit life. We ain't started advertising on Craigslist yet, but we getting around. Oh man, see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? This is a project. That ain't just. I'm talking about we just don't stop. This guy, know what I'm saying? He wants the car running. He got what it takes. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it, and we ain't gonna be forever with it. This motor. He gave this car to somebody else to have repaired, and the guy couldn't do it. And he just had the car sitting up in the yard and took it all apart, and then got it together. They couldn't get it crunk up, and we brought it here, put it back together, and got it crunk up. But the fuel pump had to put a new fuel pump in, but the relay switch isn't working on the fuel pump, so we gotta replace it. So whatever it takes to get it running right, we don't stop. We don't stop. What's up? Can we say hello to Nia? Hey, what's up? So, hey, we're gonna sign off for now. Keep it real. Praise Jesus. Praise the Lord. Can we praise Jesus? We cannot praise for it. Our number is 228-313-5799. You can hit me up on email, therealosoblue@gmail.com. Facebook at RJ Sanders. All right. All right, we're signing off. Peace out. Peace out, RJ.
Peace.